Mahanadi, the charm of Cuttack. APRF, with its vision to further research and development in the field of science, conservation, education and livelihood, is established in the year 2017 on the banks of river Mahanadi, bathed in its charm and soaked in its beauty. Mahanadi, literally meaning the great river in Oriya language, originates near the Fasia village in Chhattisgarh and flows through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The river enters Odisha plains at Narach, Cuttack, after traversing the journey of half its total length, being joined by Jonk and Hasdeo rivers and its way through the eastern Ghats via Satkosia Gorge. Just before entering Cuttack, it gives off a large distributary, the river Kattajodi, and finally enters the Bay of Bengal at Falls Point. Mahanadi weaves around itself an assemblage of flora, fauna, riverine ecology, life and livelihood, traditions, cultures and folklores. Mahanadi River runs through the heart of Cuttack city, feeding its lanes and bylanes with the flame of life like blood flowing through the arteries and veins of human beings, thus creating the charms of Cuttack.
जार भासी भासी जा नौका मोर भासी जा जार भासी भासी जा नौका मोर भासी जा महानदीर नील ढेउरे नाची नाची तू भासी जा महानदीर नील ढेउरे नाची नाची तू भासी जा जार भासी भासी जा नौका मोर भासी जा
The charms of Mahanadi include flora. The bank of Mahanadi gives Orissa a treasure trove of plant species, which is a storehouse of food, medicine, economic, non-timber forest produce, etc. It is the home of plants that comes under the endemic, rare, endangered and threatened categories. The most common flora are the Polygonum glabrum, Saccharum spontaneum, Oxysetum exculatum, Tamarix indicus, Terminalia arjuna, Monocoria vaginalis, Hydrella verticillata, Potogonum nodosus, Barringtonia, etc. Fauna. The Mahanadi is embedded in the riverine ecosystem of Orissa. It enjoys a diverse landscape in the state, which makes it home of diverse faunal species. The most popular birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and microfauna of the state are related to this riverine ecosystem. The most common faunal and avifaunal species are the river lapwings, the little cormorants, greater cormorants, river turtle, monitor lizard, thick knee, Bahmani duck, wagtails, and many more.
उड़ी गले गेंडालिया झाड़ी देले पर रे झाड़ी देले पर रजा झियो बाहुनुची देखी बुढ़ा बर आहा देखी बुढ़ा बर उठेला कला मेघ भोदेई उठाना काली गाई चरी गला कियारी कधाना.
Indian skimmers and terns. The flow of life of Indian skimmer is influenced by the flow of river Mahanadi and the breeding cycle of fish species therein. Indian skimmer and riverine birds like terns and lapwings, along with other avifauna which are RET category, find their breeding ground on the riverbed of Mahanadi near Cuttack. The Indian skimmer is a mid-sized, tern-like bird with a prominent orange beak. It is found in flocks and comes under the vulnerable category of IUCN. In the entire world, the Indian skimmer population is found to be low, and the breeding sites are limited to the riverbed of Mahanadi at Cuttack, Chambal, and Son River in MP. The riverine ecosystem of Mahanadi provides a fertile ground to the breeding population of Indian skimmer, which follow a particular species of Salmophacea and Cystimus cerana to complete its breeding cycle, which starts from the Satkosia Gorge of Mahanadi and flows through the Mahanadi River at Cuttack. Panu Behera, he is known as the Peacock Man of Cuttack, having established a relationship with around 60 peacocks which have made their home in the banks of river Mahanadi. Panu Behera is no more, but his dreams through these peacocks still lives on. And thus lives on Cuttack through its myriad dreams of its millions of lovers. And the mission of APRF is to piece in these memories, dreams and charms scattered here and there, some forgotten, and to weave them into a new tomorrow.